the railway engineer is concerned, comma, more or less, comma, with block signals, comma, heating apparatus, comma, Bessemer steel, comma, and vacuum brakes, comma, while the mechanical engineer pays special attention to automatic apparatus, comma, combustion chamber, comma, exhaust valves, comma, low pressure cylinders and high pressure cylinders, comma, mechanical strokes, comma, site feed lubricators and water cooling plants, full stop. He has to consider the advantages and disadvantages of the lever and weight safety valve and the spring balance safety valve, comma, and also of the surface condenser, comma, which is a device employed for condensing exhaust steam without mixing it with cold water, full stop. The method is now universally used in marine engines, full stop, close.